Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new then hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll show you how to make this elegant looking bun in minutes. So begin by selecting our sections from both sides of the parting, and we want to tie them both together in the back like I'm showing here using a ribbon band. You want to twist it, creating a topsy tail. Then you want to divide this ponytail and also hair left into two equal sections like I'm showing, and make with them two loose braids. Make sure to tug on the edge of the braid to make it full and voluminous looking. Tie the braids using ribbon bands. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge. Of course, you want to repeat this braid on other side as well, like so. Now you want to crisscross these braids and tuck it into the first topsy tail like I'm showing. Then you want to grab the ends of the braids and twist them one more time into the topsy tail and tuck it into the created bucket of the bun. You want to use some grips to fix these braids in place. And we didn't even care if we stayed up all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had. Tuck on the edge of the braids. I'll accessorize my bun, but this is totally optional. Basically, you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Also guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. See you soon. Love you guys. Bye.